Hi, we're the Tech Geek. Today we are going to show you how to make a stunning poster online in 5 minutes for free. Before we get started, if you like this video, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. So let's get started. The first step is to open up a web browser. In your search bar, type in canva.com. Canva is a free online graphic design platform that allows you to easily create posters, logos, invitations, business cards, infographics, and more using professionally designed templates. You can even upload your own photos and add them to Canva's template using a drag and drop interface. It has more than 50,000 templates for you to choose from, so for this video, we're going to try to make a stunning poster. But before we dive in, you should first create an account. This is a free account, and without it, you can't save your designs. Click Sign Up and select Sign Up with Google or Facebook. Select the account you want to sign in with. Then select Personal. Canva Pro is a paid service which has more photos, videos, and elements for you to choose from. As we want to use the free version, click Maybe Later to continue. To make a poster, simply click Template and then Poster. There are more than 4,000 poster templates for you to choose from. To make a birthday poster, click Birthday. Then, select the birthday poster template you like. Click Use this template. Upload your own photo and replace the template's photo. Move your photo to the position you want. Right-click the photo and select Send Backward. Replace the words with your own words. After you finalize the poster, click the download icon. Select the file format and then click download. After that, your stunning poster is created. You can also add some animation to the poster. Click the Animate button, and you can choose from several types of animations. Click the type you want. Finally, click the download icon. For the poster with animation, you can select from MP4 or GIF format. Select the file format and click download. And just like that, your professional animated poster is created. And that is the end of the video. We hope that this video helped you. If it did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.